of a cuboid. Before starting the formula of the surface area of a cuboid, first we have to knowledge about the cuboid. In our general life, we have seen lot of the example of the cuboid. Our first example is that all of you know about the book. This is the mathematics book. Is the example of the cuboid. In the cuboid, there is a length. This one is called the length. This one is called the breadth, and this one is called the height. Length, breadth, and height. The another example is that that box is also a perfect example of the cuboid. In this cuboid, you have seen that there is a length. This one is called the length, and this one is the breadth, and that one is the height. Length, breadth, and height. If you want to draw this cuboid on the board, you can make like that: a rectangle, another rectangle, and then join the vertices of the rectangle. Then you can easily make the cuboid on your whiteboard or copier or anywhere. In the cuboid, what you have seen that this one is called length, and this one is the breadth, and this is the height. If you want to find the area of the cuboid, it means the surface area of the cuboid, so you have to better understand about the cuboid. For understand the cuboid, I have made a model for this. You have seen that there are different types of rectangles. Rectangle 1, rectangle 2, rectangle 3, rectangle 4, rectangle 5, and rectangle 6. And when these rectangles are combined to each other or meet to each other, then they make a cuboid. Just see here. Yes. This is the cuboid. When the rectangles are meet to each other, they make a cuboid. So there is a different types of faces. That one face, this face, this face. It means that there is 6 faces. We have seen that there are 6 faces are face 1, face 2, face 3, face 4, face 5, and face 6. It means that if we want to find the surface area of a cuboid, then what should we have to do? Just find the area of these faces. And you have seen that these faces are like a rectangle. And you already know that the formula of the rectangle is length into breadth. So if we want the surface area of the cuboid, then we find area of F1, F2, F3, F4, F5 and F6. So another thing is that here is that if we want to find the area of the F2, then what should we have to do? This one is the length, this one is the breadth, length, breadth and height. If you want to area of the F2, then what should we have to do? Length into breadth. Here the length is L and the breadth is height. So if we want to find the area, surface area of the cuboid, then what should we have to do? Just TSA, yani total surface area of a cuboid, is equal to F1 plus F2 plus F3 plus F4 plus F5 plus F6. If you want the area of the F1, here is the F1, okay, this one is the F1. You already know that this one is called the length and this one is called the height and this one is the breadth. It means this one is the breadth, this is the breadth and this is the height. It means that the area of the F1 is the breadth into height. And you know that what is the area of the F1? That much area is F3. F1 is equal to F3 because the both the rectangles are equal. So if F1 is equal to breadth into height, then F3 is also breadth into height. So breadth into height. Again, for F2, what is the F2? Length and height. Because the rectangle area is equal to length into breadth. Here the length is equal to length and the breadth is height. Yani length into height. So for F2, length into height. What is the area of the F2? That same area is in the, for the F4. What is the area of the F2? That same is the F4. It means that for the F4, what should we have to do? Length into height. Okay? And the last is that F5. For the F5, what you have seen that this one is the length and this one is the breadth. It means that F5 for F5, length into breadth. Length into breadth. And what is the area of the F5? Same to same, the area is the F6. It means that length into breadth. So what we have seen that there is a 1 BH, 1 BH, 1 LH, 1 LH, LB, LB. So TSA is equal to 2 BH plus 2 LH plus 2 LB. Or in short, when we take a common factor of 2, then we have a 2 BH plus LH plus LB. This is the formula of the total surface area of cuboid. We can also write this formula like that. TSA is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. This is the total surface area of the cuboid. This is the total surface area of a cube. Okay. After finding the surface area of the cuboid, total surface area of cuboid, we have one more thing is that lateral surface area. In our question, it is given that to find the lateral surface area of the different types of shapes. So first we have to knowledge about what is the meaning of lateral. If we have understanding of the lateral it means that side. What does it mean? Side. Side it means that when we remove roof and base of cuboid, then we have a lateral surface area. For example, in this model, if we move roof and base, then that one is the area is lateral surface area. It means that in the lateral surface area, you have only 4 sides. 1 side, 2 side, 3 side and 4 side. So for finding the lateral surface area, what should we have to remove? Upside and downside. Okay? It means that lateral surface area of a cuboid is equal to, we have to remove front side, up side and down side. So in the front side, what we have seen that length and height. Front length and height same to same. Back side, it means that length into height plus length into height. Again, here is that breadth and height. Breadth and height. So breadth into height. Similarly, that one is also breadth into height. So when we add them, then we have a 2L of LH plus 2BH. On taking 2 and H as a common, because both have the 2 and H as a common, then we have a 2L plus B. On left hand, LHC is equal to 2 into height L plus B. This is the formula of LHC. Lateral surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into height in bracket L plus B. After finding the surface area and the lateral surface area of the cuboid, let's just see one example related to this. In this question, it is given that find the area of the thin setting required for the making an open cistern 5 meter long, 3 meter wide and 4 meter deep. If we make the figure, then we have like that figure. This one is that. When we join, then we have a cuboid. According to question, the length is 5 meter long, 3 meter wide, 4 meter deep. It means that the length is 5 meter and the wideness, it means that breadth is the 3 meter and deep it means that in this question the deepness, it means that height. So this one is the height. The height is equal to 4 meter. 4 meter. But when we solving the question, we have to knowledge what we have to find. Total surface area or lateral surface area. So for understanding this question, just see this model. The system is open. No? It means that open, it means that like that. When you open, like that. Okay? So when you open, then we have only 5 faces. 1 face, 2 face, 3 face and 4 face. 1 face, 2 face, 3 face, 4 face and 5 faces. It means that if we take the formula total surface area minus this, then we solve this question. So required surface area is equal to total surface area minus open. It means that the top is open. In the top we have seen there is a length and breadth. Length and breadth. Length and breadth. So we have to minus length into breadth. Okay? And the formula of the total surface area, what is that? Yes, 2LB plus BH plus LH. minus LB. On putting all the value what we have given, here we have given length is equal to 5, breadth is equal to 3 and the height is equal to 4 meter. Putting these value, then we have a 2. What is the value of L? 5, B 3, breadth 3, height 4, length 5, height 4 minus length 5, breadth 3. Just simplify them. Then we have a 5 3 are 15 plus 4 3 are 12 plus 5 4 are 20 minus 5 3 are 15. On adding them, then we have a 5 2 7 plus 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 47 minus 15. Multiply them. 7 2 ja 14, 4 carry 1, 4 2 ja 8, 94 minus 15. When you subtract, then you got 14 subtracted by 5, then we have a 9 and 8 by 79. Then required surface area is equal to 79 meter square. Always remember that the unit of the area is always square, unit is square. It means that the unit is the meter. That means that the area of the required surface area is the 79 meter square. Thank you so much.